photographer, you keep an eye on those cameras, see if you can see it.
He's probably going to wreck getting it.
10-4, monitoring.
He's probably going to wreck getting into the construction.
That's 37, up until I see the door.
We're the only one up here, we'll be closest.
Cool. Need about an hour later.
I won't need it for this. Even if
Correction on that, it's going to be at the 9, not the 6. Wrong way driver at the 9.
Lydon might be able to get it then. I just had training the other day on this, so hopefully I get the chance to utilize it. Southbound at the northbound lane, so they'll be coming right at us.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
You might be able to get a TBI on the very first.
We're going to be going south in the north lanes. We haven't seen anything on the cameras yet. Our 911 calls on have stopped.
I got him at the 6. Give me the net.
That's 1063 from 21.
Driver, put your hands out the window! Put your hands out the window! Driver, put your hands out the window! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Step out of the vehicle! Hands up, face away from me! Walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Quit looking at me! Walk back this way! Stop! Get on your knees! Get on your knees! What am I getting arrested for? Driving the wrong way on the interstate. I'm an innocent bystander. You are not an innocent bystander. I promise you I am. I literally don't have it. Like, this really is my first time. What, your first time driving the wrong way on the interstate?
No, I knew I was going the wrong way.
So then why didn't you stop?
I was about to stop, but y'all see y'all. That's why I stopped. That's why I stopped. I see y'all.
Knees to your chest. Stand up.
I really don't have this.
10-15, put it in there. Car stolen out of Jacksonville, do you know that?
No, sir.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of the law. You have the right to an attorney. Cannot afford one. One will be appointed to you by court.
Sir, can I talk to you real quick?
No.
Yes, we just took a call about this car being stolen.
in a minute. Here. Before we get hit by someone that's not paying attention.
Yeah, hold on to that.
Pause me. Hold on, man. I'll talk to you more in a minute.
I was going to tell you I can steal the car.
I'm not saying you did.
Okay. I was just making sure to clear things up because I just got instantly.
But you're fine. The big thing is you driving the wrong way on the interstate. Someone gonna hit you head on and kill you.
Yeah, man.
I'll talk to you more in a second. What's your last name?
Rogers.
Rogers?
Yeah.
R-O-G-E-R-S.
Yes, sir.
And your first name?
Curtis.
With a K or a C?
C.
What's your date of birth?
December 9, 2004. I know I was driving the wrong way, sir. I promise you I did. The thing is, I didn't know.
Baker Charles, Ida 72 John. He said it's not been entered yet. He has somebody heading up there to enter it.
Jacksonville's heading out here?
What's that?
Is Jacksonville heading out here?
Hey, do you know?
Here, I'll talk to him in a second. We got the call around the 9.
Yeah. See, we got told he got on at Richmond, so I tried to catch up to him and.
Car's stolen. Stolen car.
For real?
For real. So.
You get a hold of the vehicle owner, or y'all gonna have it towed?
Oh yeah, we'll take care of it all. Who took the report?
Officer Barbie. I can get you the report real quick.
Yeah, I'll need that. We might be able to hold off on a 1011. Could we see about getting a hold of the owner, see if they come out and retrieve the vehicle? Okay. That way they ain't got to pay a tow fee.
Yeah.
So, Boo, this is my ride along of 5 minutes. What a way to start it, right?
It's 25 dash.
I just picked him up.
Oh, that's why you're over here.
That's why we're over here, yeah.
25-02330.
02330?
Yeah, 2330. What y'all find this dude? He on 67 is back? I guess.
That's his stuff?
That's the stuff you handed me 3 minutes ago.
Alright.